Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can block text in Microsoft Word. There are several ways you can actually block text in Microsoft Word. Some person only know one way, some person know two ways. Now that I'm going to show you some way as we progress. Very important. If you notice the instruction right here, let me bring it up a little that I can actually see it. Right, if you notice how to block text in Word, first one right here, we have Control plus A. We have select all. Right here we have CTRL plus shift plus the arrow key. Right here is the hold on the left side of the mouse and drag to your right or to your left. Alright. So very important right there. So what we wanted to do definitely. We're going to start with the first one right here. Alright. So if you notice this is the paragraph. Right. So the first one I want to use Control L A. So we click right here. So we go up on the keyboard. So we're going to hold on both of them together. Right, if you notice, it block everything so far. So we're going to click select all so far. So all we're going to do that now. First, we want to come right up here, click on home. When you click right here on home, you come all the way here. You click on word select. Notice right here, it says select all. When I click, you notice everything block. Just the same. Alright, so look at select all and all of that. So now this is the one that you're going to be looking at. The control shift plus the arrow key. Right there. Yes, very important. Right there. So right. So what I wanted to do now, go along the shift and the control key together, and then we're going to use the arrow key. Notice when I press right arrow, notice it block it going across. If I press the down arrow, notice blocking going down. If I press the up arrow, notice it come back up. That's the same. So that's exactly all you use. Right here, the control, the shift, and the arrow key to block. Alright, so then the way you want it to do, you put the mouse right here along the left side. You can drag to the right, just the same. Or you can come right over here, so and block it and drag it to the left, just the same. Alright, so these are some of the ways you can actually block text right here in your Microsoft Word documents. I hope you learned something from it. Remember, don't keep it there, share it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.